No, come on, guys. So here, one person is communicating with another person means so definitely. So at least communication is mandatory or not, guys? Yes. So definitely there is no doubt. Communication language is mandatory. Without language, so at least one language also we have to learn, right? Now come on, guys. One person wants to communicate with another person means so definitely language is mandatory. So if you want to speak out something, yes, at least if you want to, you should know your native language or not, guys. Yes, whether if you don't know about so other languages or not, so at least you should know your language. Then only we can say something. Other people can able to understand. If they are not able to understand, so that mediator will be translate or not, guys. Yes, that is the main purpose of this language or not. As a person to person or person to computer or computer to computer, if you want to establish a communication between these things means so first of all what is mandatory, language is mandatory. Yes, so as like yesterday class, so here whatever the person is communicating with these electronic devices, now come on here. So nowadays everything is a digital world or not, guys? Yes, nowadays everything is digital world, right? Yes, so without communicating with these electronic devices, so you are fulfilling your requirement.
Sir?
Yes, without communicating with these electronic devices, are you able to fulfill your requirement?
No, sir.
No, right? So definitely, suppose if you want to translate one money from one account to another account, so nowadays no one going to the banks or not, guys. And simply nowadays everyone utilizing online transaction only, right?
Yes, only online transaction.
Yes, as like a phone pay, as like there are multiple apps they are utilized in order to translate your bank account amount from one bank account to another bank account.
Another bank.
So yes, so instead of going to the bank and so waiting in the line, yes, so it is a waste of our valuable time or not, guys. And also, so it is a more burden. Yes, so no one, even though they are spending lot of money, but they no one bother about all these things or not, guys. Yes, so if the work is completed with minimum effort means they can happily spend how much amount they want. Yes, in the same way, so in order to fulfill the all the user requirements, so what are the persons, what are the different things are there, all the users, all the persons they want to fulfill their requirement means yes, definitely they have to communicate with these electronic devices, because nowadays everything is a digital world. So within the digital technologies only we can fulfill the requirement. Now this person wants to communicate with these electronic devices means this computer, laptop, mobile, all these things means what is the language of this computer? Say computer can able to understand this English language.
Binary language.
Yes.
Binary language.
Yes, definitely computer not able to understand this native language, so English language or not, guys? Yes, so what are the people's language is there, so that people language not able to understandable by the this computer. Now computer not able to understand your English language as a user, so you are not able to understand this computer language. Then still if you want to communicate with these electronic devices, how you are able to communicate? How you are
Sir?
able to communicate, guys?
Sir, I'm not getting.
Yes, so this computer not able to understand this English language or not, guys?
Yes.
Yes, so as a person we are not able to understand this computer language called zeros and ones code or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what are the zeros and ones code is there? As a programmer, we are as a user, we are not able to understand this computer language.
Yes.
Then, but still, if you want to communicate with this electronic devices means, so if you want to communicate with computer means, so how is it possible?
Then
Yes,
I learn binary language.
yes. So that means, so what are the different possible things are available? What are the possible ways available?
Java, core Java.
Yes, that is languages. Now come on, guys. So what are the different possibilities available means either we have to learn this binary language, but after learning this binary language you can communicate with this computer or not, guys, or you have to utilize a mediator. These are the two possible ways or not, guys?
Yes.
Now come on, yeah. As a user, as a human being, as a common people, are you able to understand this zeros and ones code? No, right? We are
Yes.
not able to understand this zeros and ones code or not, guys? Yes, we cannot replace.
Yes.
Because suppose let us example. Yes, so here I am providing Bala. This is my name. So this name I want to written with computer language. What is the name I want to provide it here? Yes, we can go
Bala.
another paint, guys.